Hello, greetings from Axanta Business Solutions. In this video tutorial, we shall understand how to rectify a wrongly posted purchase order in a few common scenarios. There can be multiple situations where you have wrongly posted a purchase order. So in this session, we will explore the three major scenarios and demonstrate how to address each one effectively. So in the first scenario, let's assume that you have entered an incorrect quantity in the purchase order and then the shipment has already been received. Later you realize that either the quantity that you have entered that is wrong or you have received less quantity than what was ordered. So we shall show you how to rectify the discrepancy in quantity after the shipment has been received. So now let's understand the first scenario. So here, as you can see, that we have created a confirmed purchase order where the status of this PO is in locked, and here in this PO we are purchasing this product 5 pieces and this product 10 pieces, and here as you can see the shipment has already been received. So if you will click here on the shipment, the status of this shipment is done, and here as you can see in the received quantities we have received 5 pieces of this product and 10 pieces of this product, and here if you will see the total PO value is 225 KD. Now once you have validated the shipment, afterwards you realize that for this product the actual quantity that you have received is only 5 pieces and not 10 pieces, and for this product you found out that the actual ordered quantity and the quantity that is received is 6 pieces and not 5 pieces. So now let's see how to rectify this. So now first we shall do the rectification for this product where we have physically received only 5 pieces instead of 10 pieces. So to rectify this, we shall go to the shipment and we shall create a return of 5 pieces. So let's see. So now we will click on this receipt, and here we shall click on return. And for this product here we'll enter 0 quantity as we don't want to return any of the quantities for this product. But for this product here, instead of 10 we shall enter 5 as we are returning these 5 pieces, and we shall click on return. And here as you can see this return shipment has been created where the status is in ready. Here in the done quantities we'll enter this 5 pieces, and now we shall click on validate. Then here we shall enter the posting date on which we are returning it, and we shall click on yes. And now as you can see this return shipment status is also in done. And now if you will go to this PO again, for this product now you will see that the received quantity has changed to 5 pieces. Now we shall see how to rectify this product. Now as we mentioned earlier that the actual quantity that we were supposed to enter for this product was 6 pieces. So now let's see how to rectify this. So first we shall unlock this PO, and here we shall enter the actual quantity that is 6 pieces. Now once we have entered the quantity here, automatically one shipment will be get created of that one piece. So now we shall just unlock this PO. So we shall click here on unlock. Then here for this product here we'll change the quantity as 6, and as soon as we have changed the quantity to 6, here as you can see 3 shipment has been done, and one, if you will click here, this one shipment in the ready status has been created. So if you will click on this shipment, this product one piece shipment has been created, which is in the ready status. So now we shall validate the shipment. So here you enter the posting date, and here in the done quantities you can enter the quantities. So here we shall click on this initial demand. So automatically the done quantities has been updated. Then we'll click on validate. You cross check the posting date and then click on yes. And now if you will see, the status has changed to done, and this one piece is added into your inventory. And now if you will go back to this PO, you will see that for this product the received quantities has changed to 6 pieces. Now once we have rectified the quantities, now we shall create the vendor bill. So the vendor bill that will be get created will be based on the received quantities. So to create the vendor bill, we shall click on this create bill button. And here as you can see, the vendor bill has been created, which is in the draft status. And here if you will see, the value of this vendor bill is 130 KD, whereas the value of the purchase order was 225 KD. As the vendor bill gets created based on the received quantities. So now here you can mention the bill date, and you can click on confirm to post this vendor bill. So now as you can see, the status of this bill is posted. So this is how you can rectify the quantities in the purchase order before creating and posting the vendor bill. Then in the second scenario, assume that you have entered an incorrect cost price for the product in the purchase order. After the shipment is received, you realize that the cost price in the purchase order was wrong, or the supplier has revised the cost price when he has sent the invoice. So in this case, we will guide you through the steps to correct the cost price after receiving the goods. Now let us understand the second scenario. So for this, we will take an example of this product. Here as you can see, the cost price of this product is 0, and the stock on hand of this product is also 0. So now we shall create a purchase order of 10 pieces of this product, and we will give the cost price, let's say 5 KD, and we will receive the shipment. Now once you have validated the shipment, you realize that the actual cost of the product was 8 KD, but by mistakenly you have entered 5 KD. So now let's see how we can rectify this. So here as you can see that we have created this purchase order of this product 10 pieces at 5 KD cost price, and the status of this PO is in locked, and we have also received the shipment. So here if you will see the status of this shipment, it is in done. And now if you will go on this product, and you will see now the stock on hand of this product is 10 pieces, and the cost price of this product per piece is 5 KD. So now once you have validated the shipment, you have realized that you have entered the wrong cost price on this purchase order. The actual cost price of this was supposed to be 8 KD, but you have entered 5 KD. Now to rectify this, first we shall unlock this purchase order. Then here in the unit price we shall enter the correct cost price, and then we shall click on create bill. So now we shall click on unlock. Then here in the unit price we'll enter the correct price. So the correct price is, let's say, 8 KD, and we shall save this. Then you can again click on lock, and this purchase order will be again in the lock status. And here if you will see, the purchase order value has changed to 80 KD. Now we shall click on create bill, and here as you can see, a draft bill has been created. And here if you will see that the cost price of this product is 8 KD. So as soon as we will confirm and post this vendor bill, the correct cost price will get updated on the product master. Now we shall click on confirm button, and here as you can see, this bill has been posted. So now if you will see, the cost price per piece of this product has been updated to 8 KD. Kindly note that in situations where you have sold some of the quantities and then you have done this rectification, so in such cases the system will automatically post the cost difference in the cost of goods sold account. However, the values in the sales report will not change. Also, in cases where the supplier has changed the cost price of some of the products at the time when he sends the invoice, so in such situations you can change the cost price of those products directly from the vendor bill as well. So this is how you can rectify the wrongly entered cost price in the purchase order. Now in the third scenario, let's assume that you have confirmed the purchase order, you have received the shipment, and you have posted the vendor bill as well. Now after completing these steps, you realize that you have entered either the wrong cost price, or you have entered the wrong quantity, or you have entered the wrong exchange rate. So in this scenario, we shall understand how to rectify this purchase order. So for the third scenario, let's take an example of this product. So here as you can see, the stock on hand for this product is 10 pieces, and the average cost price of this product per piece is 8 KD. So now we shall create a purchase order of this product of 20 quantities at the cost of 10 KD per piece, and we shall post the shipment as well as the vendor bill of that purchase order. So here we have created the purchase order of this product of 20 pieces at the cost of 10 KD, and here as you can see that we have posted the shipment as well as we have posted the vendor bill. So if you will click on this receipt, you will see the status is in done, and here if you will see the vendor bills, the status is posted. So after that purchase order, if you will see the product master, the stock on hand of this product has changed to 30 pieces, and the average cost that has been generated is 9.333. Now once you have posted the vendor bill, you realize that you have made a mistake in the purchase order. Actually, the correct quantity that was supposed to be purchased was 50 pieces at a cost of 12 KD per piece. So with the correct PO, the average cost that was supposed to be generated is 11.333 KD. However, because of the wrongly posted purchase order, the average cost that has been generated is wrong. So you want to cancel the wrong purchase order and correct the average cost as well. So let's see how we shall do this. Now, in order to cancel the wrongly posted purchase order, the first step is to create the correct purchase order. So here as you can see that we have created the correct purchase order where the quantity that we are purchasing is 50 pieces at the cost of 12 KD per piece. And here we have posted the shipment as well as the vendor bills for this purchase order. Once we have posted the correct purchase order, the second step is to make a return of the wrong purchase order. So as you can see that this is the wrong purchase order of 20 pieces. Now in order to make a return of these 20 pieces, we shall click on this receipt. Then here we shall click on this return button. Then click on this return, and this return shipment will get created, which is in the ready status. Then in the done quantities, we shall enter this 20 pieces that we want to return, and then we shall click on validate. We'll select the posting date and click yes, and now the status has changed to done. And now these 20 pieces have been reduced from your inventory. Now kindly note that once you have validated the return, you need to create and post the credit note as well, as we have created and posted the vendor bill. So for that you need to go to the purchase order, and here you will find an option of create bill. So you need to click on create bill, and here as you can see vendor credit note has been created, which is in the draft status. Then you need to enter the accounting date and the bill date. So once you have entered the date, you need to confirm and post the credit note. So you will click on confirm, and here as you can see now the credit note has been posted. Now once we have made a return, the stock of the product has been reduced, but the average cost price still needs to be corrected. Now in order to correct the average cost price, we shall click on the menu and we'll go to the inventory module. Then in the inventory module we shall click on journals and we shall click on cost adjustment. Now we shall create the new cost adjustment journal, so we shall click on new. Then here in the account field we need to select the account on which we want the difference of the cost amount should be impacted. So for this example we'll select cost price adjustment interim account. Then here in the effective date we need to select the date. So based on this effective date, the impact of cost adjustment will take place. So now to adjust the cost price of the product, we shall click on load PO lines. Then here we shall enter the wrong posted PO number. So this was the wrongly posted PO number. So in this PO, when you will select, whatever products were there in this PO will be coming here. Now in case where you have multiple lines in the purchase order and you want to adjust the cost of only some products, so in such case you can remove the products for which you don't want to do the cost adjustment. So now we shall click on OK. So here as you can see the system has calculated the new cost price. So here as you can see this is the quantity on hand 60 pieces. This is the cost price, which is the current cost price, and here this is the new cost price, that is 11.333. So this new average cost price was supposed to be the correct cost price. So now to reflect the changes, we need to post this cost adjustment journal. So as you can see the status of this journal right now, it is in the draft status. So now we need to click on post, and now the status has changed to done. and the changes have been reflected. So now if you will see on the product master, the stock on hand of this product is 60 pieces and the average cost price of this product has changed to 11.333. So this is how you can cancel a wrongly posted purchase order in which you have posted the shipment as well as the vendor bill and adjust the average cost as well.